बहुत सारे जाने माने लोग और उनकी बहुत सारी जानी मानी बातें। कुछ इसी सोच के साथ पिछले साल हमने जाने अनजाने की शुरुआत करी, and I take this opportunity to thank all our 24 guests who are one of the tallest leaders in the security domain. आप सबका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Your platform is incredible because it amplifies, exemplifies and highlights the good work leaders are doing in various industries. Thank you for inspiring us every day, and I wish you all the very successes.
Thanks Rajiv Mathur for hosting the show Jaane Anjane. It was a great pleasure to be a participant in the same.
I love the concept of Jaane Anjane. You know why? Because it was not a very formal professional interview. No, actually you touched on things which were not related to our profession. Things that no one else knows and we would like to share on this platform. I saw the interviews of others also, and it was also very motivating to see these leaders from where they come and what's their ideology in life and where do they want to go and what kind of gets them ticking.
Rajiv has brought out how obstacles in everybody's lives actually turn them around, and once that is done, they just dissolve. Being in the learning profession, I can say one thing: nothing works better than I have a story for you.
People you've chosen to meet in season 2, I think they are the perfect guests to have on your show. These guys have been responsible for a lot of us being alive today.
I wish hearty congratulations to Jaane Anjane, Mathur sir and the whole team for completing 25 episodes successfully.
Covering the lives of all the security stalwarts, listening their experiences and their journey from their own mouths, it was a great learning, and it was really a pleasure to be part of the season 1.
मैं जाने अनजाने और उनकी टीम का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि अपने प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से उन्होंने मुझे और कई लोगों को अपनी दिलचस्प कहानियाँ लोगों के सामने लाने का मौका दिया।
It was a very wonderful experience going down the memory lane and sharing my journey, my thoughts, not just as a professional, which I have been doing, but also me as a person. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, मेरे बारे में ये information हमेशा रहेगी. So people will know me in totality.
I feel privileged that you considered me worthy enough to be a part of the show. I gained a lot personally listening to all of the people whom you interviewed.
I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for having chosen me, and most importantly for having focused upon the risk community who has been doing a great job but has not been getting visibility. Thank you again.
My extreme gratitude to your entire team who was at the back show and worked hard to make this episode successful.
Thank you Rajiv for introducing this Jaane Anjane. I don't know Jaane Anjane, it reached to the pinnacle of the success.
Congratulations Dr. Rajiv Mathur and team Jaane Anjane on successful completion of season 1. Gratitude and thank you for hosting me on one of your earlier shows. I have watched nearly every single episode, learnt a lot, enjoyed a lot.
Congratulations Rajiv for the success of season 1 of Jaane Anjane. बेहद खूबसूरत कॉन्सेप्ट है और बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ आप सबके अनजाने पहलू सबके सामने लेके आए। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। थैंक यू फॉर होस्टिंग मी एज वेल, एंटायर जाने अनजाने टीम।
सीजन 2 में मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स के साथ हम कुछ जानी और अनजानी बातें करेंगे। उन्होंने 1.5-2 साल में फॉर द कम्युनिटी दे हैव डन अ लॉट। स्टे ट्यून्ड टू सी सीजन 2 ऑफ जाने अनजाने विद अ पिंच ऑफ अ प्रिक, मेरी कहानी मेरी जुबान।
If given a chance, it will be my pleasure to be a part of your show sometimes again.
Congratulations once again, and hope Jaane Anjane continues doing good work going forward.
I wish you good luck for your more episodes and further journey.
We wish Rajiv and Jaane all the best for the future.
I wish you guys the very best in your next episodes, and All the best. I look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you so much for this beautiful concept. I loved it. Looking forward to season 2.
Thank you so much and wish you all the luck for your next episode.
All the best for your season 2 of Jaane Anjane. I'm very sure that season 2 is going to be even better.
Wish you lots of luck for the next season of Jaane Anjane.
All the very best to you for season 2 of the show.
बहुत ही अच्छा है सर, प्लीज इसको कंटिन्यू रखिए.
Wishing Team Jaane Anjane the very best as you enter season 2. God bless you. God bless Jaane Anjane team. Thank you very much.
I loved it and I can't wait for season 2. Thank you so much.